Curriculum as a dynamic and evolving process. Rethinking school curriculum. I would suggest that we stop looking at curriculum as something set in stone. If you think about it, education is meant to prepare students for the future, yet we're often using outdated methods that don't align with today's world. Is it not desirable that we create a system where learning is dynamic, responsive, and tailored to individual needs? For instance, NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Programming, tells us that students process information differently. Some are visual learners, some are auditory, and others are kinesthetic. Yet, traditional classrooms rely heavily on lectures and textbooks, which mostly favor auditory learners. Do you honestly believe that a one-size-fits-all approach will help every student thrive? A truly evolving curriculum would integrate visual elements, hands-on activities, and structured verbal discussions to reach every learner effectively. Now let's bring MBTI Myers-Briggs Type Indicator into the mix. If you think about it, an INTP student, the logician, thrives in open-ended exploratory learning, while an ESTJ student, the executor, prefers structure and clear objectives. The way they grasp concepts, engage with material, and process information is fundamentally different. So why force them into the same rigid system? I think it would be worthwhile to design a curriculum that allows for flexibility, offering structured approaches for some and open-ended exploration for others. And what about personality-driven motivations? The Enneagram teaches us that students aren't just learners. They have deep psychological needs that shape how they engage with education. A Type 1, the reformer, wants structured, ethical learning and clear standards, while a Type 7, the enthusiast, craves excitement, variety, and creative engagement. A curriculum that recognizes and adapts to these intrinsic motivators will naturally lead to more engaged and self-driven students. Is it not desirable that education also includes self-awareness and emotional intelligence as core components? We already know from NLP and MBTI that self-awareness enhances learning outcomes. If students understand how they think, communicate, and process emotions, they become better decision makers, leaders, and problem solvers. Yet most school curriculums barely touch on this, treating personality and emotions as afterthoughts instead of core aspects of human intelligence. A curriculum designed for the future should leverage NLP principles to cater to diverse learning styles. Integrate MBTI-based differentiation to provide personalized educational approaches. Use Enneagram insights to align motivation with learning engagement. Teach self-awareness and emotional intelligence as essential life skills. Prioritize adaptability, ensuring that education evolves alongside technological and societal shifts. If you think about it, an education system that truly respects individual differences, fosters curiosity, and builds emotional intelligence will produce not just knowledgeable students, but well-rounded, capable individuals. The question is, are we ready to rethink how we approach learning?